were a superhero, my power would be invisibility. My power would be super speed. Super strength. Freeze people. My power would be flying.
If I was a superhero, my superpower would be to walk on water so I could go anywhere in the world.
What do you think might be in?
From my experience, I think all children love superheroes. It's one of those topics that just grabs them, engages them and excites them.
Hands up who wants to be a superhero.
Double hands.
Double hands.
Reading for pleasure in our school is really important, but before you have reading for pleasure, you've got to obviously have children who are motivated to read. And through the use of the superhero books and the characters and the illustrations, I think that would be a really good way to get the children motivated to read. At Belmont Primary School, we do guided reading within Year 1, and having books about superheroes would be a really good way to hook the children in and excite them ready for their guided reading session. It is really important to have fully decodable books to support children on their reading journey.
Shoots up to the stars.
Well done.
For those children that are of a higher ability, we need to have books that challenge and stretch them. It's great to have a series of books that the higher ability children can access as well as the lower ability, and have that link where they can discuss and chat about what they've been reading in class, perhaps in the playground.